Hi Michelle, it's Scott from Invictus Active. Thanks for the photos. Yeah, the good news is it will be suitable for the FreeWheel. There is a slight issue, and what that is if you can imagine, this plate is where the FreeWheel attaches from the front and back. So the whole weight of the FreeWheel is levering on this foot plate. So if these aren't tight, and if it's not clamped onto this two bars tight, then you may get some movement over time, depending on the weight and the terrain that you go over within this foot plate. The best type of foot plate is where there's a D section, another tubular bar that's connected below this footrest. So the answer is yes, it'll fit this footrest type, but you may need to get the plate clamped. The other option you have got, and what people have done, is put a screw through there into the bar, and then that's going to take away any chance of it levering. It's not the best type of footrest. As I said, the best type, if you could pick, would be the tubular type, and I'll send you the PDF of our universal footrest, which would fit into your chair no problem. You basically take these two out and then just slot our universal footrest straight in. You then have the tubular type that you can adjust the angle of, and as I say, it's custom built for the FreeWheel. But if by all means buy a FreeWheel, give it a go with this footrest. We're happy to send it out on trial for free. So if you want to arrange that, please get in touch. Thank you.